Hi everyone, I am Subba Raju Sir from Coding Masters. One of the questions I hear most often from students is data science still a good career in 2026? The answer is yes, but success depends on how you prepare yourself. Today, every industry generates huge amounts of data. Whether it's healthcare, banking, finance, e-commerce, manufacturing, education, or IT, organizations rely on data to make smarter decisions. That's why skilled data science professionals continue to play a vital role. Many students think that because AI is becoming more advanced, data science jobs will disappear. In reality, AI and data science work together. Companies need professionals who can collect data, analyze it, build machine learning models, interpret results, and solve real business problems using modern AI technologies. To build a successful career in 2026, you should focus on mastering industry-relevant skills such as Python, SQL, statistics, data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, Power BI, data visualization, and generative AI. Along with technical knowledge, practical experience through real-time projects, strong problem-solving skills, and interview preparation are equally important. Employers today are looking for candidates who can demonstrate their skills through projects and confidently explain their work during technical interviews. At Coding Masters, our goal is to help students become industry ready with practical learning, real-world projects, internship opportunities, mock interviews, and placement preparation. If you are serious about building a successful career in data science in 2026 and beyond, I personally invite you to attend our free demo session. During the demo, we'll explain the complete learning roadmap, practical training approach, internship opportunities, placement preparation process, and answer all your questions. We won't discuss fees in this video. You will receive all the complete details during the demo session. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you soon at Coding Masters. Your data science career starts with the right skills, the right guidance, and the right preparation.